It's been too long to just pick up the phone, but I can't help but feeling so lonely. Yeah. On a Friday night. Yeah. So and so, things move on just like they did before. But sometimes I still miss the touch of your hands. Oh, 'cause I can't get you out of my head. Yeah, you're on my mind. Yeah, you're on my mind tonight. And I can't get you out, can't get you out this time. Now, even if it's over, I know that you're feeling just like me. Oh, 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 yeah. 'Cause I'm on your mind, like you're on my mind tonight. Hey. Yeah, I know we're not supposed to meet like this for sure. It only brings confusion to our souls. Yeah. But I can't stop. No. Oh, it grows. The sense that it's you and me after all. Yeah, inviting as it is, I must be cautious. Yeah, when I can't get you out of my head.
Hi everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, I'm outside, as you can see. I'm on the, I guess, lanai, patio, however you want to say it. But I want to share with you what it looks like right now and our ideas. The ideas my husband and I have come up with that we want to do out here to spruce it up a bit or make it Texas safe. So if you're interested in the patio or the lanai, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, here is how it looks right now. Yeah, it's a mess. We have this box out here that needs to go to the trash, and that's some stuff my husband has for the yard, and there's a storage bin here. So as we go out, I'm gonna turn around and let you see the patio from the other way. Okay, this is how it looks toward the house. We have that sofa, and then he bought this one here. And then we have the two chairs that came with the sofa and the table. And then we've had this table set right here. The umbrella for it is, of course, is in the garage because we don't need it here. Okay, up on the ceiling we have two ceiling fans. They're gorgeous. And then we have the recessed lighting, and it's also wired for sound out here on the patio. Or lanai. My husband keeps saying it's the lanai, but it's the patio. Okay, so it's all ready for company. We also have the lights here. I want to change that light fixture because I don't like that star. And I want to change this one too. I like that it has the stonework around the podiums. I like that. I think that's really nice because that goes with this walkway here, which needs to be cleaned. As I turn, you'll see the walkway goes all the way out here. That part over there needs to be finished because it needs the cement or either sand to make it level. Like this part here, I think it needs to be, on this side, needs to be dug out a bit because it's a bit elevated. If you see it, it's a bit elevated than the part here. So I want that dug out a little and then them replaced. And then put the sand in it so it'll go even with this part here. So that's one thing on the agenda for this spring and summer for the yard. Now we have this here, which is a fire pit or as it kind of reminds me of a pizza oven. Not quite sure yet, but we're going to look into that. Over here we have a spot for wood and also a place on top for you to sit things at. And then we have this grill here. This one here I think is, yeah, this is the one that uses wood or charcoal. And then here in the middle are 2 burners. Needs to be cleaned. Over here, this is the gas one right here that's covered up. Now what I would like is it has an umbrella up here. I would like some of these trees cut back because they are a bit in the way. Over here, I need, like up here, I would like that branch cut right there. So we could put like another umbrella or get a larger one to put here. Something to cover so when he cooks, he has, you know, the sun won't kill him. And then also what I would like to have done out here is, because this is Texas and you know it gets hot here, but what I would like is around this here on this patio, the lanai, I would like to have it screened in for mosquitoes. And up top, see how it's open up there too? I would like it covered for mosquitoes because we get those horse-sized mosquitoes here. And I would like to be able to sit out here and not get attacked by mosquitoes. And your girl ain't too fond of bugs, so that would be nice to have it done. Like I told my husband, it would be nice to have a sliding door here, you know, screen door. And then on this side here, have one that opens over here on this side for that walkway. And then right here going out to the pit, I would like to have a sliding one here too, because it would be easy for you to come and catch the door with your elbow and slide it over than trying to get one to pull it out. So that's what my intentions are, to get this enclosed with screen for mosquitoes and have 3 entryways, one from the side of the house, the one here going to the pit, and the one here on the side is basically to be able to go out to the storage area here, because there's a storage house out here and there's a pathway, 2 pathways that goes between the plants and goes out to the storage area. And I'm kind of thinking that's why those stones right there are laying out right there. I think they may be some that be added to the end of this walkway, because this walkway doesn't go all the way to the storage shed, which I kind of wish it did go to the storage shed so you won't have to walk. Well, that's me. I'm allergic to grass. I try to keep everything, but I don't touch grass as much to go out to the storage. But I know because of the freeze, it killed a lot of the plants that were out here at back. Now, some of these are growing back. Some of them need to be peeled away. And this big thing here had a lovely ivory on it. As you see, it's dead. We're getting someone to come and replant a tree here, a vine tree here, and move some of these bird baths because that causes mosquitoes. And then in front of the windows, the plants are coming back there. The roses are starting to grow back on the end, and we want to get some more, what's this stuff called, to put in here. It's red, but he wants it black, so we're going to change that. Get the leaves out of here, get that straightened up, and back in that corner by the shed, put some over there all the way up to the pit. Now there is a little walking path right there, but at the back of the gate you'll see that it's fenced in, that running path. That is for a dog, and my husband really wants a dog, so he's been looking at puppies. So we'll probably have a puppy out here soon that'll be running around in the back there to come outside sometimes and play or whatever. But overall, to get the backyard back in shape after the freeze, it's going to be something that's going to be on our agenda. Excuse the plane. See the plane? So that's one of our agendas, to get this clean and straight. Like, we have a bird feeder here, and that is an oil for mosquitoes. There was another one out here. I guess he moved it. But we do have solar lights on the fences. So that's some things that he's going to check into. That's one there. And there's one back over there in that corner. And one in the corner over there behind that little tree. So it's set up really nice, the backyard. We just have to get it cleaned and ready for the spring and the summer. But as you know, it's been raining a lot here, and we're supposed to be getting some rain in town about Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. So as you see, we have the birdhouse here. We have the butterfly feeder here, which I have to refill soon. And then we have over here another bird feeder, bird bath here. So and it needs more plants planted out. The ones that died during the freeze, they have to be replaced. So the yard is really an oasis back here, and I really like this oasis. I really do, because I'll be able to sit out here and relax and enjoy myself when we have good weather, because we do have good weather sometimes. You know, during the summer, it may be out here during the daytime to drink a coffee or cocoa early in the morning and enjoy this. And then what makes it even nicer, that is a TV out here. So I can sit out here and drink my coffee or cocoa, or we can have lunch out here or brunch and still be able to see a sporting event or whatever movie we're watching. We can see it out here as well. And I really like that. And also too, I like that we have this light fixture here that shows the yard back here. And then on this side of the house, we have this walkway that goes all the way to the fence. And then we have the light up there as well on the corner of the house. So we have the plants that are coming back in from right on this side of the window. They're coming back. But I know I want to do some rearranging out here. I want to find that sprayer we have. It's somewhere in the garage, y'all. I want to clean these walls because they're dirty. And then I want to take all the furniture off of here, give the furniture a good spray down, wash the seat covers, and the storage bench needs to be clean for real, for real. It is dirty as you can believe it. Clean it. And I want to move the storage bench over here under the TV, and then move this bench over here where the window is, and this chair, put these chairs over here together in a grouping, and move the table out just a little bit so there'll be room for all of us to sit here and everybody to be comfortable. I think it'll work, because if I move the sofa over a little, let me put that sofa here and move that chair here and put it beside this is match over here, that would be great. I think this patio would be really nice. What I really want, I'm trying to talk my husband into understanding, I want to get an outside carpet to put out here. And I think that would really make it look really nice out here. But getting him to understand the purpose of an outside carpet is a little hard for someone who really doesn't like to decorate. Now, like his outside stuff here that he has here, all this can be stored in that container over there. So that's one reason why I wanted to get that cleaned out, cleaned up, and have it sitting here. That way all of his stuff that he uses out here for mosquitoes, the bug sprays, the lawn care stuff, all that can be stored in there. Anything to do with outside, like the covers for the faucets when it gets cold, all that can be stored in this container over here, this bin. I really enjoyed this area for the little time that we did get to sit out here when we first moved here. But this will be our first spring and summer here. And we're so excited to be able to have barbecue out here. So my husband likes to barbecue. So pretty soon we'll have him out here on the grills, cooking something. Either one, the gas or the wood, will be really nice for us to be able to entertain out here with our family. Have them over here and have them enjoy our backyard oasis. So So I hope you enjoyed my tour of my backyard. I'm really excited about getting everything set up in this backyard, having everything ready for company. The lights out here are gorgeous, the ceiling fans, and I think we are really going to enjoy this spring and summer, being able to host things out here in this yard and really enjoy what God has blessed us with. Because this is truly a blessing from my Lord Jesus Christ. Because this is something we always wanted, we talked about, and we prayed on it, and we put it in God's hands. And when we leave, someone had already bid on this house before us, so we were looking for something else. And then we got a call from the realtors letting us know that the person who had bid on this house, their money didn't come through. So they wanted to know if we were still interested. And of course, we were still interested. And God blessed us with our home. I'm so happy about this house. I think one thing that's really going to get me is getting a ladder to get up there and clean the top of their ceiling fans off and change the light bulbs. Can you see your girl up there doing that? It's 2 ceiling fans, so I know that generally we're going to have to change the light bulbs. We need to clean the ceiling fans, because I am going to spray these walls, get them clean, spray the floor, the furniture, and then reset the patio. Think that we can get this enclosed really nicely, because I would like it to be enclosed behind the wood beam here. I really would like it to be back there, to include the beam inside, to enclose it around the outside, because there's room on both sides to do that, to close it right there and come down the wall, and then enclose up top so Mosquito City. But let me know what you think down below about the idea I have for the patio or lanai. I love reading your comments, and you all have a blessed day. And I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.